And welcome to my ugly fluorescent bathroom. Best friend. We made pasta. I made like a DIY White Claw with tequila and my liqueur, and that's how I budget. Just getting a steady jog going, guys. Literally, I need to cancel my gym membership. I just worked out enough for a fucking year. BRB gonna go join the circus. The real me exposed. Oh my god, it's coming out so fast. Oh, work fast. Oh my god. Hey guys, good morning. I know you can tell I just woke up, but my name is Ouai and I'm from Los Angeles, California, but live in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, New York. And I work in an entry-level position in video content production and strategy, as well as doing freelance video work. Today I'm going to take you through how I save, splurge, and spend as a person making an entry-level position, living in an expensive as fuck place. I try my hardest to budget, you know? It's hard, but we're learning and we're getting better. And I would say the biggest things that I spend money on in New York are obviously rent. I pay $11.45. I actually want to cry because it's so upsetting taking that much out of my bank account. But I love Greenpoint, and the city is too expensive to me, and I lived there for 4 years, so it's a happy medium. And it's fine. I'm making do. And then the other things I definitely splurge on are hair, clothes, and social events. So I'm going to take you through my whole day. I just woke up, so I'm going to do my morning meditation, which I have an app on my phone, and I spend $8 a month on that, but mental health is priceless. Said it. So I'm going to do that, shower, and I will be back. So I just showered and got ready, but I realized that my plant was looking a little sad. So I'm gonna water him. But we can do makeup and hair right after. Watered. And welcome to my ugly fluorescent bathroom. It's horrible. But New York apartments, you know, you pick and choose. Also, like, just a warning, like, I'm definitely doing everything wrong when it comes to hair and makeup, so just be easy on me. I'm gonna start with the Ouai leave-in conditioner. Whew. Talk about a best friend. I just kind of spritz it in just to get my hair like nice and soft. Oh, and so when I wash my hair, I wash my hair with the Ouai Curl shampoo and conditioner. This is my whole thing with hair products, is I like few things. Like, every time I go to get my hair cut, my hairstylist is like, I'm like, oh my god, I want to do this crazy cut. Like, I need to do this, that, and that, and bangs, and blah, blah, blah. And they're like, Zoe, you can't handle that. Like, you can't take care of it. I'm like, way to know me better than myself. So I put in the leave-in conditioner, and I just run my fingers through. And then I'm going to go in with the, oh my god, hair doll, I'm such a shedder. The air dry Ouai foam. I have never wanted to splurge more on a product like this, because I have my whole life, I have taken the L on first day curls. And if you have curly hair, you know about first day curls. I'm going to kind of like close this. It's like really ugly to look at my broken shower head that I literally just broke watering my plant. Best friend. I run it through my curls, flip over, and I run it through and straighten out my hair, kind of like with my fingers, you know? The thing is that there is no time that my hair looks good right after I wash it. It is always frizzy, my curls lost a hoop. Hair's frizzy, messy, curls all over the place, poofy. But with this product, oh my god, my big YouTuber moment. This product, it makes first day curls actually absolutely amazing. And I've always had like a weird relationship with my curls. I used to straighten my hair a lot. And once I found the right product, it made things so much easier, because I also do not like blow dry my hair. Like, I leave my house all the time with wet hair. So that's why the air dry foam is absolutely amazing, because it gets me perfect curls, no frizz, like decreases my big poof, and allows for me to like leave the house and go to a meeting or go to whatever and not feel like, oh my god, I have first day curls. So then makeup, I definitely don't splurge on because I wear minimal makeup and I've been doing the same makeup, no joke, since I was like 12. So but this is one I absolutely, I absolutely love this product. It is Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. And I think a tub like that, I mean, it's not a cheap product. It's like, I think $45 for that tub, but it literally lasts me like at least a year. Moisturizer is so important, especially during the winter in New York when my skin decides to actually fall off. And then I use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I swear by it. It's not that expensive a product, but it's not a cheap product at all because Nars, I don't wear any foundation. So for me, I need to have a really good concealer. So spending a little on my concealer, a little more, is fine to me because I literally only wear concealer. I don't wear foundation. Just gonna put it on. I know, I use my finger and people get mad about that sometimes. And then what I do is I just use a brush. This brush is literally like probably $1 from Sephora. So I do not spend on brushes because I actually just use this, like I always clean it, but it has nothing on it. And I just kind of put it over my skin to go over where I put that concealer. And then I have a blended face. The lighting here is actually garbage. I'm gonna curl my lashes again. Cheap. CVS. I mean, come on. Glossier Boy Brow. Affordable. Honestly, like, I do wear a lot of Glossier. I am a Glossier girl because the thing is, it is such an affordable product. And, like, it gets the job done. It makes me feel good. I'm telling you, if I had to have only 3 products, it would be my Ouai Air Dry Foam Boy Brow. It's always a tie between concealer and mascara. So, I don't know if I can make that decision just yet. Oh my god. That is tragic. Dun, dun, dun. And we're back. That's done. You can tell how old this eyeliner is. This is the Kat Von D eyeliner. Again, affordable. Couldn't even take you through how I do my eyeliner because I've done it so many times. Done. And then I use e.l.f. mascara. So cheap. Honestly, I've used so many different mascaras, and this one is just, like, why not save my money and use a mascara that holds up all day and gets me the volume I want. So I use the e.l.f. Cosmetics one. Okay, and then the last thing is I'm going to use some Glossier Cloud Paint. Also, super affordable product, and I've literally had this for at least 2 years now. I'm going to go because I have a important phone call. I didn't describe this before, but I work from home. I'm going to go take that work call and I will be back and we will be heading to we'll make some breakfast and then we will head to a coffee shop. I just got off my work call and was also just doing a little work, and I put on a sweater because I'm cold and it's winter, so like cozy season. I'm gonna make breakfast, so I'm gonna grab some stuff from the fridge. Breakfast. So when I first moved to New York, I used to eat out all the time, and the number one thing that I learned like really helps with budgeting is cook all your meals, especially breakfast. It's such an easy meal to cook. Like, I am not a top chef, but I still cook breakfast every single day, and it's so easy. I would say my weekly grocery bill is about like $70. Usually it lasts like a week and a half. So a week and a half grocery bill, $70 to $75 depending on what I'm buying. And it saves so much money because if I eat out, it's gonna be way more than that. So I just did some work at home and I'm heading to go to a coffee shop to do a little more work because I work from home and I just like to get out of the house, you know, it makes me more productive and just a change of scenery. So I just got to the coffee shop and I got a chai latte. So I spent $6 on that because, you know, you only need almond milk and coffee shops are just so overpriced. But I packed snacks so I don't have to buy food. So on my way back from work, I decided to stop by one of my favorite vintage stores because I splurge on clothes, but I'll balance it by shopping vintage, and then I'm gonna head home. I just got back from the coffee shop I was working at. Clothes was really up there with hair and with the rent, obviously, and then like social things. Clothes is definitely up there and it's something I splurge on, but a lot of the times I shop vintage because not only is it sustainable, but it's budget friendly. Today I bought this cashmere sweater for $20 because like I need more sweaters, it's the winter, and it's a really cute like light purple turtleneck, and for $20 that's a deal to me. And so that's kind of how I fit my clothing addiction into my budget, is really shopping vintage and then, you know, splurging when it comes to an item I really want that might be a little more. So I'm meeting my friend, but I made dinner really quickly, like 5 minutes. We really banged it out and got ready. I'm wearing my new sweater and we made pasta. So I'm currently on my way to meet my friend. I have a monthly unlimited subway pass, so it's, you know, that's my main form of transit. Unless it's really late at night, I'll take an Uber, but taking the train to meet her. And I made like a DIY White Claw with tequila and my La Croix, and we're just having a roadie because I don't want to spend $18 on a drink at Madison Square Garden. So that's my news on travel and drinking, and that's how I budget. Someone's staring at me, guys. Just gonna act cool. Just getting a steady jog going, guys. I am so late. I'm just still drinking my La Croix. This is Claire, and she's budgeting as well. We're saving money. By the way, we're going to see Cirque du Soleil. I literally ran down. I ran a mile. Literally, I need to cancel my gym membership. I just worked out enough for a fucking year. It'll save me money. Okay, got a blast. We just got out of Cirque, and literally best night ever.
Best night ever.
Best night ever.
Best night ever.
It's just like the best night ever. BRB gonna go join the circus. We're gonna go to a bar and get a drink before our friend's event at 10. But like gonna be fashionably late, gonna get there at 11. So I will see you guys there.
Oh my god. One what tip?
A budgeting tip of yours.
Budgeting. Don't buy coffee every morning. Those $6 lattes add up.
This is where the editor places in the fact that earlier in my vlog today I got a $6 latte. And we are back to my ugly fluorescent bathroom. I just got home from my friend's event, which was super fun, and I ended up actually spending no money there, which I'm really proud of. But I did Uber home because the thing is that like transit late at night is just, it's a lot, and I just rather just take the L, not the actual L, but take the loss and Uber home, because I do always take the subway during the day. So I'm gonna just take you guys through my nighttime routine. I'm first going to get all my makeup off with a makeup wipe. I'm going to use a Neutrogena makeup remover. I pull out the thing, but it's like buried under a bunch of items. Nothing better than an affordable Neutrogena makeup wipe, and it's also just fun to like see how much makeup you have on your face afterwards when you look at the wipe. And now I'm gonna wash my face. Honestly, I never addressed the fact that I'm wearing a WWE wrestler's shirt. thrifted it. It's like definitely a kid's extra large, but like we're out here. So when I wash my face, I have gone through so many different face washes, and like I didn't think I would be a Cetaphil girl. But I honestly saved money on my face wash because I used to Splurge, and I learned the fact that this product does exactly the same thing. I never break out. It always gets all of the oil and dirt off my face. And it's so cheap. I think this bottle is like $12 and it lasts me, again, like 2 months. I just use 2 pumps and I like massage it in. See, now don't I look the same as when I started the vlog? The real me exposed. Then I'm gonna go in and put this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. So I definitely do, again, like I like to splurge on my nighttime routine products because I only use a couple. I save on my face washes. So I really want to get, like, I'm very insecure about my under eyes, so I like to get a really good eye treatment, and Kiehl's is like, it's a staple. But I've literally had this for so long because all you use, I'm not even kidding, you do, that's enough. The next thing I use, the thing about my nighttime routine is I always like to keep it minimal because every time I get ready for bed, like I want to go to bed. But I do use this Caudalie, am I saying that right? It's an overnight detox oil. Oh my god, again, my like big YouTube moment. I interned for a beauty company and I was not paid, but I got paid in products. So I got this for free. So that's how I save. Work for a beauty brand. They'll give you free products. Labor be like that. And I just, oh my god, it's coming out so fast. Oh, work fast, oh my god. Not cute. And so now I'm just gonna brush my teeth. Just because it's that time. So now I'm really feeling clean, guys. And the last thing I do, and I'm not gonna pretend like I do this all the time, because I actually just found this in the bottom of one of my bags the other day, but I've really been into like gua shuaing. It's not a verb, but like using my gua shui. It's so relaxing, guys. Could like go to sleep. But I always just like use it and like work my way up. Literally never watched a tutorial for this. I can't wait for people to drag me in the comments for how wrong I do things when it comes to like products. Hey guys, drag me in the comments below about how I do things wrong. Just kidding, actually, like please don't drag me, I'm really not down. But like maybe constructive criticism. I'm down for constructive criticism. I'm here to learn. I am going to go. Thank you guys for joining me. There's gonna be a bunch of more Ouai content around this topic. So everybody tune back in. I hope this was informative. Or I hope it was fine. But tune into the Ouai channel for a lot more of this content. Thanks guys for joining, and I will see you later. Bye.